Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discuss about a topic. This topic is drop shipping. Drop shipping introduction and drop shipping complete course and drop shipping create an account. Drop shipping is the retail fulfillment method where a store does not keep the product it sells in stock. Instead, it purchases the products from a third party supplier and has them shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the store does not have to manage inventory or shipping, and their supplier is responsible for storing and shipping the products. Here's a step-by-step overview of the drop shipping process. A customer places an order on the store website or in store. The store owner forwards the order and customer information to the supplier. The supplier shipping the product directly to the customer. The store owner charges the customer for the product and keeps the profit margin, the difference between the wholesale price and the retail price. Dropshipping offers several benefits, including reduced inventory risk, lower overhead costs, flexibility to offer a wide range of products, ability to focus on marketing and sales. However, it's important to note that dropshipping also has some potential drawbacks such as less control over shipping and customer services, quality control issues, potential for communication errors between the store and supplier. To succeed in drop shipping, it's important to choose a reliable supplier, set clear expectation with customers, monitor and optimize shipping and fulfillment processes, focus on marketing and sales to drive growth. Some popular platforms for drop shipping include Shopify, Oberlo, AliExpress, Salehu. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any further questions. Here is a comprehensive outline for a complete course on drop shipping. Module 1, Introduction to Drop Shipping. Definition and explanation of drop shipping. Benefits and advantage of drop shipping. How drop shipping works. Module 2, Setting up a drop shipping business. Choosing a niche and products, researching and selecting supplier. Setting up an online store, Shopify, WooCommerce, etc. Creating a business plan and setting Google goals. Module 3, Product Research and Selection. Finding profitable product using tools, Salehu, Oberlo, etc. Analyzing product trend and demand. Evaluating product quality and pricing. Create a product catalog. Module 4, Supplier Research and Selection. Finding reliable supplier using directories, Salehu, worldwide brand, etc. Evaluating supplier credibility and reputation, negotiating prices and terms, creating a supplier list. Module 5, Setting up an online store, choosing an e-commerce platform, Shopify, WooCommerce, etc. Setting up a store them design. Configuring payment and shipping option, creating product listing and description, With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you, Allah.